There it is, right on the grid coordinates.
Confirmed. The K-129. We finally found her. The structural integrity is compromised right here.
But that approach puts the ROV too close to the missile housing.
We have to take the risk. The debris field is unstable everywhere else. The weather window is closing. We have to move now if the equipment checks out.
Lower the main bridle, nice and easy. Copy that. Watching the tension on line 3. On lines 3 and 4.
Pressure holding, sir, but it's straining.
Slow and steady. We are almost there.
Hold position, hold position. Too much swing on the bow.
Roger. Easing tension now.
Keep the tension coming. The link is seated. We are locked in here. Turnbuckle is tight.
Forward pin secured, all green back here.
Okay, easy now. Bring her down another 2 meters.
Copy that. 2 meters down.
Slow down on the starboard side. Watch the clearance on the gantry. All right, hold it steady right there.
Log this section, serial number Kilo-129-05. Note the severe pitting around the missile hatch.
Copy that.
Reading on the starboard side is holding at 4.2 meters. Severe corrosion here.
Okay, log that. We'll need a double patch sequence starting from the upper deck down.
The stress load here is critical. Copy that.
Copy that. We need to adjust the cable tension immediately. Stand by for new coordinates.
Okay, pressure's rising now. Start from the top section.
Copy that. I've cleared the main valve, but the bolt is completely seized.
Noted. Check the schematic for the bypass procedure.
Clear the area. We are lifting the section now.
Make sure the chains are secure.
The alignment is precise. No defects visible.
Confirmed, Comrade Captain. I will log the clearance.
The integrity of these welds is excellent, well within tolerance.
Data confirms structural stability. We can sign off on this section.
There it is, active ping. Range looks good.
Confirming readings across the board. The restoration was successful. Adjusting flow rate now. We're in the green zone.
Confirmed. Secure the panel.
Adjusting the gain now.
Wait, there is the signal. Fine-tune the bearing.
Pressure readings are stable. The manifold check is complete. Confirmed. Logging the results now.
All right, lift together. Watch the alignment on the seam. Secure it in place now.
Alignment is good on Sector 4.
Copy that. Proceed with torque sequence.
Crane stable, holding position.
Activate the communication array.
Signal is green across the board.
Very good. Secure the panel.
All systems are green. Power restored.
Confirmed. Ready for operation. Navigation is nominal. All diagnostics complete. We are ready to dive.
Okay, scanning the manifold now.
Confirmed. Data matches the schematic. Check the pressure gauge on auxiliary line 3.
Reading steady at 400 psi.
Look at the corrosion here on the seam. Yes, extensive pitting near the rivet joint. I am noting it down.
The schematic shows the torque sequence here.
Applying the final setting now. Check the readout.
Diagnostic sweep complete. Verify tube integrity.
Confirmed. Systems check green. We are go for deployment.
The stabilization is off by 2 degrees. Look here.
I am adjusting the trajectory. Confirm stabilization.
Lowering the forward section. Watch the coupling.
It's in position. Engaging the locks.
Запускаю последовательность. Система активна, параметры в норме. Подтверждаю. К развертыванию готовы.
Keep the tow line steady. We are at 20 meters.
Aye, steady as she goes, Comrade Captain.
Давление растет, срочно. Регулирую. Держится. Хорошо, продолжить погружение. Reading steady at mark 04.
Acknowledged. Finalizing alignment. Calibration complete. Systems nominal.
As we reflect on the importance of preserving history, the K-129 stands before us.